Hi, I'm Traci, and normally I would say I want you to move your body, but this is my cool down video, so that means you already have. So I've made this quick cool down video for you to do after my workouts or any other workout that you've chosen to do. A cool down, just like a warm up, is really important. It does the opposite of a warm up. It cools everything down. It calms your head, your brain, takes your heart rate down, calms your muscles down, your joints, your ligaments, and it's really relaxing. You want to make sure you're breathing nice and deep in and out, in through your nose, out through your mouth throughout the whole cool down. Just relax. A cool down after a workout is not only relaxing, it helps elongate your muscles, it helps with joint flexibility, and it truly helps alleviate any stiffness or soreness you may encounter from working out, which is normal, especially if you're a beginner or you're doing movements you haven't done for a while or you're doing them different. So a cool down is definitely recommended. So this is a quick cool down, and let's get it started. You're going to reach up, make sure you're breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Nice deep breaths. Pull it over, and we're going to stretch that side body right in through the lats. Pull your wrist up and over and hold it. A lot of the same movements from my warm-up, but we're holding the movements instead of actively moving. Now I want you to push your hips over and reach. Really push into that hip and reach. Breathe. We will be on the ground. Hold on. Okay, I want you to bring your hands behind you and stretch that chest out. Just hold it there. Spin around a little and just hold it. Hold it. Bring your hands out. Push your arm over. Stretch throughout that shoulder. Push that arm in towards your body. Breathe. Other side. Up. Push that elbow back. Reach for your upper back. Let's get that tricep stretched. Push that elbow back. Reach right back there. Stretch all in here. Other side. Make sure you're breathing. Okay. Take it down to the ground. Slowly to the ground. Whew! Okay. We are going to do a little stretch toward our toes. A little hamstring stretch. As far as you can go. Then I want you to roll it back on your back. And you're going to do a wall-to-wall stretch. Reach that way. Reach your toes that way. Stretch your body out like someone's stretching it. Bring your legs in, and your head towards your knees. Roll it up. Breathe. Okay, I want you to put your knees, your feet down onto the ground and cross your right leg over your left. And you'll already start feeling that hip stretch. I want you to bring your hands behind your left leg and pull that leg in and really feel that nice stretch all in there. Woo, it feels great. You can push that knee back more if you want to. Flex that foot and just hold it there. Woo! Okay, now you're going to bring that right knee towards your shoulder and just pull it in. Breathe. Now I want you to push your leg to the opposite side. Keep that right shoulder down on the ground. And get that spine stretch, hip stretch, lower back. That's my favorite. Breathe. Okay, back. Hug those knees. Drop those feet to the ground. Cross that left leg over. Same thing. Grab that right leg. Pull it in. Flex that foot. Push that left knee out if you want to do it like that. Woo! That's a great stretch. Feels wonderful. Okay, drop that right leg down and bring that left knee up towards your left shoulder. Pull it in. Really stretching that hip flexor. Bring that leg over all the way. Left shoulder down on the ground. Push that leg down. Whoa, that's a great lower back stretch. I want you to slowly make your way up. And, whew, okay. I want you to bring this leg back like this. And I want you to grab your foot. And do a little more hamstring stretch. And grab your foot. This is what I love. This is one of my favorites. Just pull back on it. Pull back. Lean your body back. And really get that right, more stretching of the tricep and upper back. And I want you to lean it back. Really get into that quadricep. Go back as far as you want to. Bring that leg over, push it that way, and you're going to twist it around. Oh boy, this feels good. Push that leg with your arm. Breathing. Side, leg back. Pull, stretch that hamstring. Now pull it back. With that stretch in here, pull in here. Okay, now just lean it back as far as you can go. Out through your mouth. Okay, bring that leg over. Push that leg over with your arm and look the opposite way. Twist it around. So that is the extent of my cool down. I recommend you lay right back on your back and just lay there for a few minutes and relax, and then enjoy the rest of your day. I would really appreciate a thumbs up if you enjoyed this cool down, and turn to this cool down after as many workouts as you want to. It's there for you, and I have a warm-up video for you too. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I will have lots for you. Share this cool down at my channel with friends and family off social media. So thank you, and you have yourself a perfect day.